Good morning, students. Let's continue chapter 3, Nature of Matter. Students, we will continue our topic, Properties of Matter. In the last session, we had discussed some properties of matter such as appearance and feel, transparency, floating or sinking. In today's session, we will discuss next property of matter, that is diffusion. Diffusion. Students, the property of mixing of particles of two materials on their own is called diffusion. This happens due to the free movement of the particles of such materials. Gases diffuse very quickly into each other because their particles are in constant motion. Let us understand diffusion of gas in gas with the help of an example. Place a lighted agarbatti in one corner of a large room. Very soon, the fragrance of agarbatti will spread in the whole room. This happens because fumes of agarbatti diffuse into the air present in the room. Students, liquids diffuse into each other quite slowly. This is because particles in a liquid are not so free to move as they are in gases. Let us understand diffusion of liquid in liquid with the help of an activity. Take some clean water in a beaker. Put a few drops of blue ink in the water. Students, we will see that the blue ink spreads slowly in water. This shows how one liquid diffuses into another liquid. Students, solids do not diffuse with each other because their particles are held tightly and cannot move freely. For example, sand and stones do not diffuse into each other. Solids can, however, diffuse slowly into liquids. This is because particles of liquid are able to move. Let us understand diffusion of solid in liquid with the help of an activity. Take some clean water in a gas jar and place it on a table. Drop a few crystals of potassium permanganate in water. Students, potassium permanganate is a chemical. And observe the water. Students, we will see that pink color spreads slowly in water. This shows diffusion of a solid in a liquid. Students, this is all about the property of matter, diffusion. In the next session, we will learn the next property of matter, dissolution. Till then, take care. Goodbye.